Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to present this kind of videos, showing you new properties that we have on sale and helping our clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rent of real estate properties at our beautiful, sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm now in Montesenia, next to Lomas de Cabo Roig, 3 kilometers away from the beach of Cabo Roig, for example, in a nice quiet area. And here we have one apartment in this building in the first floor, south orientated, with 2 bedrooms. It was partly renovated. Very good option for somebody that wants a family, maybe that wants to buy something in a quiet place and enjoy our nice villa and places here. La Senia are about 2 kilometers away. The commercial center of La Senia. We are surrounded also by golf clubs, golf carts, and yeah, it's definitely a place on which you can enjoy. And I like this apartment because it's very well kept. It's from the year 2006, but it was partly renovated recently. Nobody was living there, never. So it's an apartment that was not used that much. And this community also offers a swimming pool. You have always parking place outside. Look how nice the area is. You have trees, it's green, and as I told, it's very quiet. It's perfect for holidays. So now we're going by the stairs to the first floor, and we have this apartment there. Follow me and I will show you this apartment more closer. So straight from the stairs area, we have access to the apartment. This is the main entrance, and we are in this bright living room. And the apartment has 71 square meters constructed area. So you have enough space for 2-bedroom apartment actually, because usually it's 50-60 standard. On this case, you have a bigger surface and you can enjoy more. We have this slide window that drives us to this nice sunny terrace that has 11 square meter size. We also, as I told, have a nice open view, and this is south facing part, so you will have always sun here in the summer and also in the winter. We have one window that goes from one of the bedrooms here to this terrace, so it's also good. The bedroom is also south orientated. Let's keep going. On this part we have the dining area, enough for all the family. And check out the kitchen. It has all the white goods new. As I mentioned, it was never used before. So on this case, everything is well kept, in good condition. We have double glass windows. And here we have a washroom. It's very comfortable because you have the wash machine here, the water boiler, and also sink with water to wash anything. So it's very comfortable to have this washroom there. The air conditioning machine is also new. Everything that you see on this case is included in the price. It's together, it's sold together with the apartment. Please check out this nice renovated bedroom with shower plate, with modern furniture. Everything is new, everything was never used, and yeah, it's like a new build standards. And now on the both sides we have bedrooms. Let's start with the main one. We have window that I mentioned before that goes outside to the terrace, fan when it's hot. Inside in the wardrobes, the owner did more place to storage. So everything is done and everything is ready to move in. And by the end, the last bedroom, also with big wardrobes. Actually, the wardrobes are very big, nice size of bedroom, 2 beds here, and a window that goes to the communal area, no patio, and yeah, it's also very good for light, good ventilation. So yeah, floor, everything, I can see that everything is well kept, everything is in good condition, and the apartment is ready to move in. And finally, this is the pool area. You have many places to enjoy, like to have your sun bath, places to sit. Check it out, the people are already enjoying the pool. So this is the pool area that belongs to the community. And yeah, this is a nice opportunity to buy a big apartment in a quiet area, in a nice place, and enjoy your holidays in our sunny Costa Blanca region. Contact me for more information about this property or any other property. You have my contact details here below this video. Subscribe our channel, share this video with your family, friends, and I see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Hasta luego!